So I've discovered I've got a issue with my extension cord here. The ground pin is missing from the cable. And so I want to replace that because it's a safety hazard. Somewhere along the line it must have gotten pulled out or something, but it's no longer in the cable. So I need to cut this off and add a new one. Here, I have a replacement here that I'm going to add. I'll show you how to do that right now. I just cut it as close as I can. It's too bad this was a really good extension cord, but and so you can already see the three colors of wire: black, green, and white. And what I do is pull this out. These come in all different styles of replacement plugs. You go ahead and put that on there first, and then you kind of estimate how much cord you might need to trim. And I'm going to go with about this much here. And so I just lightly score the jacket, and as you flex it, it'll open up. So see, when I scored it and then when I opened it, it just separated there. You don't want to cut it so deeply that you get into the insulation of the wires inside. So now I've got the three wires exposed. And of course the white wire is supposed to be the neutral. And the black wire is the hot wire. And I'll show you where those go on the plug. And then there's also some filler here to protect the wiring. Go ahead and get rid of that, just in the way there. The cables, depending on the design, they'll all look a little different. So next, you just go back and strip each wire, each conductor. And then they fit into the back here. The green wire goes to this grounding lug. Usually the screw has a green mark on it like that one does. The white wire goes to this nickel plated screw. This is the neutral. And there'll be a copper colored screw, and that goes to the black wire. So I'm going to go ahead and put in the neutral. So you just insert it in there and tighten it down. And it has a little clamp. It clamps the wire to the connector. I'll go back and snug those up in a little bit. Then I'll rotate it around. It's a pretty stiff wire. I'll rotate it around and try to get the black one into the copper there. Then I've got one left here, the ground. So I twist the wiring so that it lines up. And you can see I'm kind of shaking it too, trying to open that pin up to get my ground in there. And sometimes you need to twist the wire to get it to stay. It's kind of an awkward angle here. I'm going to move that out of the way a minute. I finally got it in there. And I'm going to go back and snug all these down. And I'm also going to bend that tab back. Not sure what it did, but I'll put it back where it was. Now I just have to put the case on there. And again, it's a good idea to go ahead and just visually confirm everything. Here we have the white wire on the nickel screw, the green wire on the green screw that goes to the ground, the round ground, and the hot black wire goes to the copper screw here. And so with that confirmed, I'll go ahead and slide this in. Finally got it in, I think. Screws have aggressive threads, so when you turn them, they go in quickly. So now with that done, I just need to tighten up the clamp here. And what I like to do is push the wire in as far as I can get it before I tighten the clamp down. And you want to evenly advance the clamp. Don't torque one side down all the way and then do the other. Make it come down on the cable evenly. You'll get a better result. And then I have a good idea to double check your work, because you just never know when you're having an off day. So what I like to do, I'm going to test this with a outlet tester just to be sure. Because you never know, somebody may have wired the other end of the cable incorrectly or something like that. So it's a good idea just to test it, and then you know for sure it's safe. So I'm going to go get a tester. So I've got the plugged in, and I see a glow. That's a good sign right there. But I want to test it with this tester just to confirm it's correct. So I can plug that in and confirm with the two green lights that it's all correct. So it's a good idea just to double check and be safe. And so good luck with your projects, and hope you enjoyed the video.